Howdy. Again, Mike Baker here. It is 1:30 in the morning. Yet again. It's my trend. Not even for sleep. Sitting in the Yukon. I have it on the ground. Wheels torqued up. Everything except the only thing that's not topped off is the fluids, oil and transmission fluid. But I only need a little bit for the coolers in there, so I probably need to let it run a little bit first and circulate everything. So right now I am writing the tune from JP, and it's scary. Brickable. That's the thing. So to write the tune, we have to technically switch what's called the operating system on the ECU, and so it has to totally erase the ECU and write a new tune, and that's when the ECU, the computer, could get fried. So he told me to pull the radio fuse. Done. And he said put the charger on it when you're doing it. Done. So I don't know, I'm nervous. It's 70% done. It's got a minute left, and then see if it'll start, I guess. It's got a gallon or two of fuel in it, and it should be enough to do the thing. I've already put oil through the turbo manually, and so it's at least lubed a little bit. Yeah, fun stuff. So yeah, nervous. Let's see if my exhaust thing is still working here. Yeah, I can hear it. Yep, click. So that's shut all the way. So yep, shut all the way. Oh, there it is, 95%. Please work. I do not know what that means, but I heard the fuel pump cycle. All right, complete. So this thing doesn't really tell you what to do next. So I'll close it. We'll go down here to VCM scanner, and we'll figure this out on the fly. I'm going to shut this off real quick. Uh-oh. Not sure what airbags meant, but anyway. Let's see here. So this is everything that he wanted for channels to record. So let me turn this back on here. Service airbag. Great. It's probably the seats that I just put in. Who knows? That's not good. Whatever. Okay, so go up here to record. I haven't done this before, so I'm doing it on the fly. All right, looks to be working. Where's my battery voltage? Oh, wish I could see that. Let's see here. It's not great. 11.6 even on the charger. Well, let's see what happens. Oil pressure is alive. big difference. Alright, first startup is done. I'm gonna hit stop before I kill myself in here in the shop. So stop that. Shut it off. Running pig rich. That's probably why it's running rough. Alright. And that was the real first start. I had not tried to start it before that. So not happy about the seatbelt or the airbag light. So I just put some seats in here that had been redone, and they were supposed to be just buckle in and go, nice and fresh. I don't like how it's saying I have an airbag issue. I don't have a way to read that either, so I don't know. Maybe my local guys can help me out with that one. Anyway, fun stuff. Alright, well, I've got to get Mr. JP the log here and go from there. Thanks, guys. Bye.